good morning to our host batch, Silver Jubilarian, and congratulations batch 1999, and also of course to our Golden Jubilarian celebrating their 50th year of graduation, batch 1974. Our dearest teachers, we are honored to have with us today Mrs. Nelly Pareño. Our dear classmates, members of the Felician community, guests, mayong aga gid sa inyo tanan. Before I proceed with my formal speech, I would like to share with you some experiences that have become nostalgic and reminds us of the time we spent in Don Felix. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka kakita kontra nga taga high school kay kaya niya ang imo eskwelahan nga daw barko. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka katigaw tanaw Betamax sa may likod sa asalan. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka katigaw kaon aros kaldo sa Kirit-Chin. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka katigaw basa comics sa may Idjan. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka katigaw bayo buang kag mag-cross-press sa Math and Science Club, kag maglibot sa tsinda, kag mangayog-ngayog. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka nakatigaw CAT sa public casa, nagulpi ka pumaliko kay magabay ang karbaw o kung baka pakadto sa ihawan. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka katigaw bulakbol kag magkanto sa Seferina o sa golf club o magbisita sa bagay sa imo classmates sa UMA o kon sa Central. Hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka kakilala o nakaagi sa miscellaneous general merchandise or sa Deep Plaza. Hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka naanan sa pangsot sa CR sa main building. And finally, hambal niya, hindi ka taga Don Felix kung wala ka katigaw lumpat sa bintana kay wala mo madala ang imo ID sa main entrance na hindi ka pagpasudlon. These are the experiences, that have become treasure for each Felicians. This brings us back to DFMMC to be reminded of the time that we spent there. I am very happy to have been reminded by my fellow batchmates in our GC last night about these experiences. I would like to express my gratitude to the host batch of 1999 on the celebration of their Silver Jubilee for the 25th year as alumni of Don Felix Montinola Memorial College. And their co-host, our Golden Jubilee Jubilarians, the batch of 1974. Thank you for this great honor accorded to me as your speaker in the 2024 General Alumni Homecoming of our beloved Alma Mater with the theme Shining Through Time, Felician Forever. Yes, we shine through the test of time, and forever we remain Felicians, and we embody in us the true humbled by this honor. My batch of 1992 and I are privileged today for this recognition. I would like to put it on record that I am, as always, is a proud Felician. In all the things that I do, I have always lived up to the true Felician spirit. And I always consider in my heart my fellow Felicians as family members, because not only that, we have come from the same school and we receive the same education, we also receive the same training and the same experience under one roof, the roof of Don Felix Montinola Memorial College. The kind of culture that we share became the binding spirit that have kept us through times. Once again, this is a day of the year to celebrate the best moments of our lives. It is always nice to be coming home to where we all came from, to relive the memories of the institution which helped us grow and become the best of us. Also, to relive once more and celebrate our friendship, our fun memories, our joy, and most especially our gratitude. From our humble beginnings to regardless of what we have achieved in life, we cannot deny the fact that we have shared similar beautiful experiences. Experiences that we cannot go back to, but we can always cherish and celebrate in our hearts. We have shared the same laughter and shed the same tears, not knowing that along the way, we started to create a very strong bond, like a brotherhood bond, that continues to bind us together in one spirit. As for me, this was the time when I came to know friends which became families. I remember the happiness of knowing friends, not just those coming from the Poblacion area, like what I used to know during elementary years at the Victorias Elementary School, but from other places. I came to know friends from Daan Banwa, Villa Miranda, Salvacion, Lacumon, Hacienda Estado, Hacienda Los Angeles, and many other places like VMC area such as Katiglan, Millside, Palma, New Barrio, South Barrio, Bacaya North and South, Cape Town, Usod Gamay, Paicom, and parts of Ibi Magalona like Alicante, Teresa, Lumpia, and Tortosa and Manapla on the other side. Growing in the Felician community, we have learned not just from our academic requirement, but as well as the values which has taught us the character that we have used in facing our journey called life. It is always never too late to dream, if not for ourselves, for our children, and the community. Before I proceed, let me remind and bring you all back to our Felician experience. Does anyone remember the great hall at the main entrance of our school? The grand wooden stairs on both sides. One was assigned going up and the other going down. There was always an old man standing monumentally and silent. For most, we thought it was Don Felix himself. Later, we found out it was his son, Hector Montinola, the school's president. He was also the town's former mayor and vice mayor, and in whose administration in 1947, Victoria's Provincial High School, now known as Victoria's National our past mayors. It's a project that tells the legacy and contribution of our past leaders. This project aims to tell the stories of our past mayors because I believe that the town that we can see today and is very proud of is a result of the collective efforts and wisdom of our leaders, both past and present. By the way, you can view it on YouTube. Just search STM Dino Acuña. Continuing, who else remembers the fetus inside a gas bottle in room 101, the chemistry room, where we can always see that small but terrible Mrs. Elsa Dumadao doing a lecture in a big room on top of a big platform, and she was looking so tiny. The Linggo ng Wika, the JS prom, the C18 trainings, the student government elections, the math and science club initiations, the C18 presentation of course sponsors and escorts, the practical arts projects, the entrance and foundation day, and of course, the disco at the gym. For SSG officers, the visit to the grave of Don Felix in E.B. Magalones Cemetery on his birthday every 16th of February. And before we realize it, graduation day is fast approaching. The time to part, the time to find our faith and our future had come. The time to continue with our separate lives had come. Some would be lost in space, others travel to other provinces, others relocate, others we will not see for 20 or 30 years or so. But today, we celebrate our being classmates, our being schoolmates, our being brothers and sisters, all equal. We celebrate unity and love. We celebrate success. As we celebrate today, let us also remember our teachers who became our mothers in school. It is because of them that we became successful in our chosen field of endeavors. Their time may have passed and they may have grown old in our eyes, but their love for us remains fresh in their hearts. Salamat sa inyong pagpalangga sa amon. Thank you for giving us a listening heart and for caring for us beyond our lessons. Ma'am Teresa Nacionales, Ma'am Estelita Sara, Ma'am Nelly Pareño, Maria, Ma'am Erlyn Teneso, Ma'am Arnett Lugado, Ma'am Joy Ligani, Ma'am Mildred Lozano, Sir Renato Onyate, Ma'am Presi Grace Sibalios, Mr. Gary Policarpio, Mr. Roy Sedario, Mr. Rolando Salvatuna, Ma'am Dorothy Arevalo, Mrs. Melvin Sedario, Mr. Nathaniel Sernas Nacionales, Mr. Randolph Aliman, and the rest I will not be able to mention today. We would like to let you know that we pay you all our respects and reverence today, and we always cherish the memories that we have shared together. Needless to explain, our eyes talk, our hearts communicate. Love beholds us. Thank you for selflessly sharing with us your time and knowledge. You have done 1,000 other things so that today we have reached this point. We also remember our school administration and owners to the Montinola family from Don great institution. We are forever grateful to our teachers and classmates who have gone ahead. Today, we remember you all and we thank you for the memories. May your souls rest in peace. Don Felix Montinola Memorial College or Memorial Institute, later known as Don Felix Montinola Memorial College, had become an important cultural heritage in the lives of the Victorianos. This is a celebration of being a true Victoriano. As a Felician and as a city official of Victorias, serving as a city councilor together with my classmate and fellow Felician and alumni, the Honorable Dailin Tornea Rufilenia, serving under the administration of the young, dynamic, and visionary Mayor Javi Benitez, of which I would like to say, and I have said it again and I will say it now, Victorias has been very lucky to have him as our mayor. He was able to do the almost impossible possible for Victorias in terms of projects and development. Together with my classmate and fellow councilor, the Honorable Dailin Tornea Rufilenia, we always embody within us an unprecedented sense of unity and oneness in serving our fellow Victoriano. In every decision making, we make sure that we both talk to each other before finally making a decision. And in most, if not all cases, we always agree with each other. We make sure that in making a decision, we see to it that it is efficient and beneficial and it has a great impact in the lives of the greater majority, especially the poor and the deprived. We support each other, especially in the passage of resolutions and enactment of ordinances that we author and we sponsor. This in itself is the embodiment of our being true Felician, whose spirit is alive and at work in us. Lastly, I'd like to take this opportunity to mention the one great person who have made a great impact on me. She is here today, together with her batch of 1966, all the way from Chicago. Thank you for being like a mother to me and for all the countless help that you have extended to me and my family, especially during our downest moments in the late 1980s. I would like to acknowledge Tita Josephine Gulmatico of batch 1966. You are no less than a mother to me. I will always be here for you no matter what. My busy schedule has somehow prevented us from meeting so often. But rest assured that while I am serving our fellow Victorianos to the best that I can, my heart always goes to you. To the Felician community, our school may have been gone and would soon be forgotten, especially by the new and upcoming generation. But as a true-blooded Felician, let us always remember in our hearts the sweet memory of our beloved alma mater. Let us tell our children of how great it was. Let us continue to celebrate it with our annual General Alumni Homecoming celebration. Let us always attend this celebration and support our batch and continue the unity and friendship that we have started many years ago in Don Felix. Maayong aga sa tanan. God bless everyone
kag madamo gid nga salamat. Thank you.
Thank you so much ang ating kapinangan Councilor Dina Cunha for the wonderful message. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, we would like to, of course, acknowledge ang ating mga sponsors natin, for making this Grand Alumni Homecoming more possible. Of course, madamo ka salamat sa ating kapinangan Mayor Gabby Benitez, Congressman Kiko Benitez, Councilor Dino Acuña, Councilor Wardita Undar, Councilor Dinan Opelina, Councilor Henry Milan, and Councilor Dexter L. Sr. for the sponsors of Batch 99. And for the sponsors of Batch 74, we'd like to thank, of course, Congressman Kiko Benitez, Mayor Gabby Benitez, Vice Mayor Shirley Bantu, City Councilors, of course, Mayor Aldi Benitez, Board Member Andrew Montelibano, Board Member Richard Joyce Sablan, and Mr. Lenny Retirado